Congratulations on the purchase of a SolarEdge solar PV system. As award-winning certified installers of SolarEdge technology, we have produced this video to help you to understand and make best use of the SolarEdge monitoring app for your smartphone or tablet. If you are planning to monitor your system using the SolarEdge monitoring portal on your computer or laptop, please refer to the other video in this series. Okay, so firstly, you will need to download and then log in to your SolarEdge app. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, and please enter your details as sent to you by SolarEdge. The app will instantly display your dashboard, which is an at-a-glance view of all of the information collected by the portal about your PV system. At the top, it displays your site address. Below, there are two more summaries. The first, on the left, displays the size of your system, and on the right, the current weather conditions. Clicking the clouds icon will open another window displaying more detail about the current weather conditions. This is provided by your local weather station. It will also be able to forecast the weather for the next few days, which is useful if you are planning to access your monitoring app away from home, and helpful for estimating future power production levels. Just below that, you will see the date and time of the last update. If you notice that there hasn't been an update for a number of days, or if you are looking in daylight hours and there is no current power reading underneath, then you may have a communication problem between your home Wi-Fi and inverter. If this is the case, I can help you to resolve the issue by watching our troubleshooting video, which is also part of this series. The next section on your app displays the collective generation figures for what you are currently producing. This will of course show a zero value if you are viewing your portal at night. Total energy produced today, total energy produced this month, and lifetime energy. If you have a Modbus installed, you will also be able to view what you are exporting and drawing from the grid. Below this overview, you will see the power and energy charts. This will demonstrate the power production of your system over a specific period of time. Using the menu at the top, you can choose to view the current day, week, month, or year, under which there will always be a total. In addition, you can specify and view exact time periods. For instance, if you would like to see what your system produced on a specific day, then ensure you have selected the Day tab. Then, underneath the chart, click the calendar and select the date. Or you can swipe your selected chart to go backwards in time during your selected time period. The comparative energy chart below compares the energy produced by your system during corresponding periods in previous years. You can select to compare months or quarters of previous years, or compare year on year by using the options at the top of the comparative energy chart. The environmental benefits area shows the positive impact that you have had upon the environment. So now let's move on to the layout section. Here is a schematic layout of your panels and inverter. Click on the layout icon at the bottom of the screen to open this section. Here is a bird's eye view of the actual placement of your panels. If you wish to zoom in, you can do so by using your fingers to expand the image. Your inverter will be shown here in green. The figure located in the panels is the amount of energy produced in a specific time period. So, here we are looking at what the panels have produced today. If you would like to see what your panels have produced in a week, month, year, or the cumulative total, then you have an option to do so in the time period drop-down menu here. Likewise, the figure in the inverter displays the sum of energy produced by the panels feeding into that inverter. Again, you can change this accordingly using the time period drop-down menu. If you have a larger system with two inverters, then you will see both. You can also view a logical layout. This demonstrates the electrical connectivity of your panels. To do this, go to the Layout drop-down option on the right-hand side and select Logical Layout. The lilac box at the top represents the total energy produced by your system for the selected time period. The figure in the inverter displays the sum of the energy produced by the panels supplying that inverter during the same time period. The multi-panel icon shows the total of a string. This is the group of panels that are wired together, and below you can see each panel in the string. By selecting a panel, you can expand the level of information you can see. You will be able to view the serial number and power of the panel, and you can use the arrow icon to view more details, including brand, power, voltage, and current AC voltage. At any point, you can leave the Layout tab and return to the dashboard simply by touching the dashboard icon. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy using the SolarEdge monitoring app. To keep up to date with solar plants news and videos about solar PV, solar storage and SolarEdge, please subscribe now.